Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to add keyboard shortcuts to your JavaScript project. As you can see, I got a project here and we are going to use this library Mousetrap.js. This is a library which will help us in adding keyboard shortcuts to our JavaScript project. So in this project, I have added two key bindings. The first one is Control S. So the moment when I will press Control S, you will see I'm getting alert here, file saved. The next key binding is ABC. So the moment I will type ABC in this text area, I'll get hello world. Let's see that in action. Let's type here ABC. Let's try once more. See? So these are two keyboard shortcuts, or you can say the key bindings that I have added in this project using Mousetrap JS. So let's go to code editor and start writing the code. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We need a script file, and that will be script.js. We also need Mousetrap JS. So let's go to the browser. Here on this page, you need to scroll a bit and click here on download it now. Simply right click, click on save as, and save the file in the project directory. Now you can close it. And as you can see, we got the file. Simply add the script tag here and provide the source mousetrap.min.js. Also in the demo you have seen, we had a text area. So let's create a text area. No need to give it any sort of a name or ID. Just add a placeholder. Type here. That's it. Now let's create a style sheet here. That will be style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be slate blue. Select text area. Display will be block. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Font size will be around 20 pixels. Width will be around 300 pixels. Height will be 150. Border will be none. Outline will be none. Now save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. And now it's time to work on the JavaScript file. So let's go back to code editor. Create script.js here. Let's go to the browser and see the example. So on the official website of Mousetrap JS, you will find a lot of examples like these. Okay. And they got a ton of features, or you can say the customizations that you can utilize in your project. So for now, I think we'll go with the basic one. Let me show it to you here. So this is the combination of keys example. Simply just copy this part and paste it here. Get rid of this function because we don't have such function in this file. The first step here is to prevent the default behavior, because whenever you press Ctrl+S key in the browser, it will trigger the HTML download. So what we'll do here, we'll simply alert the user file saved like this. So first it will prevent the default behavior, then it will trigger the alert. Now let's see that in action. Save it, go to browser. Let's press Ctrl+S here, and you can see we're getting alert. Now let's work on the text area part. On the official website, you will find an example where we can use this in the text fields such as text area, input, and select elements. So you have to add this class Mousetrap to the text area. So in the HTML file, let's add that class here. Now go to script.js. Simply copy this part and paste it here and add a binding. So binding will be A plus B plus C. And first of all, we'll get the current value of the input element. So for that we'll utilize e.target.value property. Simply copy it, paste it here. Then we'll just modify this a bit. So it will be current value plus hello world. Now just save it, go to browser to see if it is working or not. Now type here ABC, and here you can see a very weird behavior. As soon as I press the C key, we are getting hello world. So we have to get rid of this part. So depending upon the key bindings, like we got 3 letters here, we need to slice it first. So it will be e.target.value.slice 0, which basically means we'll slide it from the start. Then e.target.value.length -2. So we are basically getting rid of the last part, which is A and B. Save it. Now go to browser and type ABC here. You can see we're getting hello world. Let's try once more, again and again. And you can see it is working perfectly. So I hope you understood how you can add keyboard shortcuts using Mousetrap JS. See you next video. Have a nice day.